Alright, so I do have the the dash that I got like 2 years ago. This is the pumpkin one, but recently I went to Target about 2 weeks ago and I got a new one, y'all. I got a new one. So the new one that I have is a spider web, but I won't use that one just yet. This one is white, and then they have one more that I need to get to add to the collection, which is a purple one. I don't know, I'll put it here which one I need next. And then anyways, I'm gonna use the pumpkin one because it's just fitting to do pumpkin waffles in a pumpkin mini waffle maker. So y'all, needless to say, it's almost 8 o'clock. I had time to watch a video from Just Lala, and I'm about to go and watch another video from Keeping Up with the Griffins. Y'all, if y'all haven't checked out Keeping Up with the Griffins, please do, because they just did like a whole series on the Carnival Frenzy, and I hope I'm saying it right. Yeah, and it looks good. Like the way that they surprised the kids with the trip, I was speechless. Like any kid, you know, nowadays I'm more worried about like sitting on games and phones, but like kids are like coming around to traveling. They want to see other places, other things. So definitely get ready to go check them out. I will have their link in my description box down below. So I'm gonna get ready to finish my breakfast and my coffee, working on editing another video, and I gotta get dressed. But I really don't want to put no clothes on today, especially since we're going in 2 hours late. So who knows? Alright, so I want to put this button up plaid shirt on, but I don't want to have that on and like get hot, so I'm putting like a yellow shirt underneath of it just so that this could be open, you know what I mean? And then I'm probably just gonna find some earrings to go with it, and yeah. Look, it ain't easy trying to vlog and get your clothes on at the same time, but I'm making it do what it do. So, just so that I'm not, you know, like too hot, I don't want to do a jacket either, so I felt like this would be more comfortable, especially just to have like on underneath. So now I just need some pants, y'all. Alright, I just pulled some pants out the closet. I'm gonna put these on today. Alright, as y'all can see, I got my New Balance on to match the shirt. I don't know if y'all can see it. Yeah, there we go. So I got my New Balance on to match the shirt and the outfit, and I put the pants on. I got 2 more buttons I need to finish. But what I'm gonna do to my hair, y'all, the Lord only knows. It's a bird's nest, and I'm kind of just not in the mood to fool with it for real, but I'm just ready to get the deal with it. Alright, y'all, so got the dryer going because I washed a load of clothes this morning before I needed to go to work. Yay, yay! Really quickly, I told y'all I've been using that autumn drive in the mornings, and then the pumpkin swirl cake in the afternoon. So yeah. Alright. Don't need any lotion on because I already put some on this morning. Y'all, let's do this weave real quick. I don't know, y'all. This is what you do when you're on life, taming the bird's nest and dealing with it. So until I get home today to shampoo and condition it to get the tangles out, and then basically blow dry it and braid it up. This is the hairstyle I'm going with for today. Totally forgot that I needed some darn earrings, but okay, no biggie. I got plenty of earrings. So I got 2 trays of earrings. One has like all of my school earrings, and then the other one has like all of my other earrings. I just don't know which one I want to do today. Honestly, I feel like keeping it real simple. I can go with my pencils. I could do my chalkboard if I really wanted to. I could do the books. You know what? Just because I don't feel like sitting here all day to try and figure out earring status, I think I am just gonna go with the books. Problem is, you gotta find the other one. So, oh, I found it. Did it want to be found? Probably not. So now I need a back. Y'all, I'm getting hot already. Then again, I mean, we might still have the heat on, so that's something I'll need to check when I go back up the hallway. Yeah, I'm just going to do these because I really don't care to have earrings on. I really don't care to have clothes on because I really just don't want to go to work. Let's check and see. Nope, ain't no heat on. It says that it's off. Is it off? I don't know. Let's see. It is. I don't even know if it's still raining. I don't know if it's still raining or not. I can't really tell. But it says on the radio that it's supposed to rain off and on all day again. Which I'm fine with. You know what I mean? Like, I'm fine with it. But what I'm going to do for the next 20 minutes is just sit here and figure out life. life. So I don't know if anybody else has had this problem, but I thought that I would vlog it to see if anyone has. So the other day when Charles had the surgery and I was telling you guys that I dropped my external drive, and then all of a sudden after that it started acting funny, right? Well, I haven't told y'all that. It started acting funny after that. It would just like, it would appear on my MacBook, but then it would freeze up. But now all of a sudden it's saying like that the storage is full, and I'm sure the storage is full. It's like all the clips from Myrtle Beach. It's, you know, like all of my intros, outros. It's life on there. So lately, I haven't had a problem with it until recently when it decided to just completely not show up on my MacBook. So I reached out to Seagate, who does my external drive, and they basically had told me that they would send out, me out one where I could like recover my stuff on, and then send this one off to get fixed for free. So that's great, but this is a 2 terabyte. Like I need my stuff off of here. There were videos that I wanted to use for Vlogtober to kind of like flash back onto, you know, like my Myrtle Beach vlogs, because those are fun. And honestly, it gives you an idea of like things to do, places to eat. So I've lost out on that video where I filmed the day after, like 2 days after we got back from vacation. I sat down and did a whole video on like, places to eat in Myrtle Beach, and yeah, it's on here. So it won't even pop up. My mom even like gave me her MacBook to see if it'll pop up on there. It's not. So it's just like, even trying to do like disk utility won't work. So I don't know if anybody else has had that problem before. Comment down below, because recently after I dropped it, it started turning yellow, and I'm like, great. It didn't drop far, so that's the thing that I'm not getting. But if it's full, okay, let me go in and delete some things, right? But it didn't pop up as full. So kind of in a funk about that, because I'm having to edit everything on my phone. I'm having to like hold everything, you know. Luckily I do have the disc reader, where it's going to read the SD cards and the memory cards. But that's the thing, like, who wants to hold on to all this stuff? Who wants to remember all that stuff? So that's my problem. But I do have a sponsorship that I need to do, but it's just like, what video? What video? I don't want to make a whole video about it, because it's not worth a whole video, but I want to do it because they've been nice enough to send me multiple cameras. It's just, I'm waiting for the right time. But anyways, I got about less than 20 minutes, so I'm just gonna start getting ready by closing up my curtains and getting myself together and ready to get up out of here. See y'all this afternoon. All right, y'all, so I'm at home. Totally forgot that today was the first day of October, so I need to fix my calendar. All right, so October's calendar is done. There's not much on here, as you guys can see. So I have pumpkins and ghosts. My ghosts are not that good, y'all. Hey. Anyways, so I have all 31 days of October. Halloween is right here. I'm setting myself a reminder that the next day will be a field trip for first grade to Wild Rock, which is November 1st. I'm subbing this day, so I need to remember that. And then school-wide morning meeting and the walkathon is on the 25th. So like I said, not too many things going on. And as a matter of fact, Cam, I had to reschedule Cam's appointment that I had scheduled for him Friday, but I had to reschedule that for 4 p.m. So not too much. Y'all, was just talking to my best friend earlier about homework, how like they don't get a kid's homework here from us. I just know our city doesn't. And to see 10 out of 35, it just kind of like reminded me of like my school days, you know what I'm saying? But it's like life science in the 7th grade must be hard. But I'm sitting here going through some of the questions trying to help him out, because I remember doing life cycle or life science like 2 years ago when I first started, you know, trying to work towards my bachelor's degree. And it's hard. It's hard. Because, you know, this life science is all about the cells, and then the photosynthesis, osmosis, respiration, diffusion. It's all about like what you're not allowed to do in the classroom, what you're not allowed to do in the laboratory. Like in the laboratory and classroom, those are easy. But you got these other ones like the plant cells and the animal cells. Those ones used to kill me back in school. So to sit here and do the work now with Cam, it's just like, wow. Why do plant cells and animal cells contain mitochondria? Like, y'all see what I'm talking about? Plants and animal cells both contain mitochondria because they are essential organelles that generate the cell's general supply, known as ATP, through a process called cellular respiration. Now, they know good and well. I mean, I thought that I had the book. And I think this is the exact reason why I won't teach any grade over 2nd grade. 2nd grade's my cutoff. Because I don't want to have to teach stuff that's going towards an SOL. Just saying. So, anyways, yeah. I forgot my coffee here this morning. My iced one, my pumpkin iced chai. So I put it in my cup. Took the cup with me to work this morning, but never took the drink to pour in here and walk around with. So here I am. Get ready to find out some dinner plans because it's almost 4:30. And meanwhile, just help him with this stuff.